What is staking? How to earn passive income with crypto. In traditional finance, you might put money in a savings account to earn interest. In crypto, staking works in a similar way, but instead of a bank, you're helping to secure the blockchain by agreeing to hold or stake your cryptocurrency and leave it on the blockchain for an agreed time period. When you stake your digital coins, basically locking them in the blockchain network in which they were established, your contribution, you earn rewards like passive income. This is just like holding a CD at a bank in a centralized system. If you agree to keep your money in a specified bank using the instrument of a CD, then you receive a reward called interest. The amount of time you allow the bank to hold your funds in a digital world is called your staking period. The more you stake, the more rewards you can earn. Staking has benefits. It's energy efficient. It supports the network. And it can be a steady income source if you are earning enough interest. But staking is not risk-free. If your staked cryptocurrency is locked up, prices can drop. And if you break the terms and conditions of your staking period, you could lose part of your stake. Still, staking is beneficial because it allows its everyday users to earn rewards while supporting the future of the specified cryptocurrency. It's a simple idea. Put your crypto to work, and it works for you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Innovative Economy.